Hello creators, in this motion graphics tutorial, we will learn how to create this text animation. Let's add the first text. Adjust the text size and position it to the center. Now let's animate the text. From Animate, select Tracking. At 1 second, create keyframe for tracking. Now at Start, set tracking to 50. Now in Range Selector, at Start, create keyframe for Start. At 1 second, change Start to 100%. Now create keyframe for Offset. At Start, set Offset to -100%. Now let's add property, Scale. Set Scale to 0%. Now for this text, in Advanced, set Shape to Ramp Up. Set Easy Low to 50%. You can see the preview. Now select all keyframes. Change Keyframe Assistant to Easy Ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Perfect. Now for text, from Animate, select Position. At 1 second, create keyframe for position. Now at Start, set X position to -200. Now select Keyframes, change Keyframe Assistant to Easy Ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Perfect. Here our first text is created. Now let's create duplicate of text layer. Hide the first text layer. For second layer, change the text. Perfect. Now increase the text size and position it at center. Now create another duplicate. Hide the previous text layer. Now change text. Increase font size and align the text to center. Let's place this text layer at distance of 1 second on the timeline. Make sure all the 3 text layers are hidden. Now let's create a new solid layer. I will name this layer as Text 1 Up. For this layer, add Set Matte effect. For Set Matte, set layer to the first text layer. Change source to Effect and Mask. Now add the Linear Wipe effect to Solid. For Linear Wipe, set Wipe Angle to 0 degree. Set Transition Completion to 50%. Here due to Set Matte, our text color is changed to black. Now let's add the Fill effect and set color of our choice. Here you are free to set any color of your choice. Perfect. Here you can see only our half text is visible. To view other half, create duplicate of the solid text layer. Rename it to Text 1 Down. For Linear Wipe, change Wipe Angle to 180 degrees. Now let's again create a solid layer. This will be for our second text layer. Add Fill effect. Now add Set Matte. Now add Linear Wipe. Set Transition Completion to 50%. Set Wipe Angle to 0. Place Set Matte below. Place Fill below. For Set Matte, change Matte to second text layer. Set Source to Effect and Mask. Here you can set any color for the second text layer. Perfect. Now let's create duplicate of second solid text layer. Rename it to Down. Now change Wipe Angle to 180 degree. Now for third text layer, create a new solid. Name it as Text 3 Up. Add Linear Wipe. Set Transition Completion to 50%. Set Wipe Angle to 0 degree. Now add Set Matte. Change Take Matte to third text layer. Set Source to Effects and Mask. Now add Fill. Set color of your choice. Now create duplicate of solid text layer. Rename it to Down. Set Wipe Angle to 180 degrees. Now let's create a new solid layer. This will be our background. Place it below. Add Fill to the background layer. Set Fill color to white. Perfect. Now let's adjust the position of this created solid layers. At 20 frames, create keyframe for position. Now move 1 minute forward. Now adjust the position for text as shown. Adjust the position for both up and down layer. Now select created keyframes. Change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Perfect. Now for second text layer. First, parent text 1 up to text 2 up layer. Parent text 1 down to text 2 down layer. Now for text 2 up and down. At 20 frames, create keyframe for position. Now at about 3 seconds, create keyframes. Now let's adjust the position. Now select created keyframes. Change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Perfect. Now for third text layer, let's create position keyframes. Let's parent text 2 up to text 3 up. Parent text 2 down to text 3 down. At end, adjust the position for up and down as shown. Now select created keyframes. Change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Perfect. Now you can see the complete preview. To get more smooth effect, you need to adjust the keyframes and you will have more smooth animation. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you want this exact project file, then DM me on Instagram and I will send the project file to you.